Quite a rally of young sportsmen and women at Red Hill, all set for a scooter relay race to Brighton. It was a students' charity affair, and in its own way, it was all good, clean fun. Say it with flour. Eventually, they got down to the race. Notice that they used the old-fashioned scooters, the sort that depend on one leg power. 10 teams, each of 20 competitors, took part. Each boy and girl scooted for about 200 yards and then gave way to another member of the team. What a relief after 37 miles of it to see Brighton. With a little camera help, they made it in a grandstand finish. For the record, the winners were the College of Rubber Technology in 2 hours, 5 minutes. That poor old scooter must have been pretty tired.